Good morning, class. Good morning, sir. How are you? I am fine. Okay. This is the chapter of the rise of nationalism in Europe. It is the chapter of history, and the heading is the revolutionaries, and our subheading is Giuseppe Mazzini. Giuseppe Mazzini. We will discuss about Giuseppe Mazzini. If we talk about Giuseppe Mazzini, Giuseppe Mazzini was an Italian revolutionaries. Italian revolutionaries. He was born in Geneva. In 1805. He was born in Geneva in 1805, and after some time he became the member of secret society, which was known as Carbonari. Which was known as Carbonari. And as he was young, as a 24 years, he was sent into exile in 1831. Which year? 1831. 1831 for attempting to revolution in Liguria. Which country? Liguria. He subsequent after some time he founded two more secret society. First is young Italy in Marseilles. Young Italy in Marseilles, and second is Young Europe in Bird. Young Europe in Bird. He founded two secret society, and whose members were like-minded, which belongs to France, Germany, Poland, and other states which were entirely European countries. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Mazzini believed that God had intended the nations. The nations is units of mankind, and that's why Italy could not patchwork of the small states and kingdom, and in this way Mazzini relentless opposition to monarchy and his vision democratic republics frightened to conservatives. Metternich described about him, he is the most dangerous enemy of our social order because his revolutionaries nationalist ideas. It was all about Giuseppe Mazzini. Now the questions is, what kinds of questions will ask you in examination of the examiner. First is, who was Giuseppe Mazzini, and आर करके पूछ सकता है कि राइट अ नोट ऑन Giuseppe Mazzini. Everybody has to note down.